What's up, y'all? So listen, I have been vlogging every day. Even though y'all don't see nothing posted, but it's like my vlogs are like all over the place. It has been just so much going on, and I'm just trying to get it together. Anyhow, right now, today is Saturday. I decided to cook dinner. If y'all have been watching me, y'all know that I am not the main cook in the house. It is my husband, and that's because he loves cooking. And yeah, so when he wants me to cook, I cook. Other than that, I decided to cook today. I made some fried chicken, some honey barbecue chicken, mac and cheese, and some candy yams, and I cannot wait to. Y'all know me and cooking. But guess what? I gotta run to the store and get some ranch dressing, because I cannot have barbecue rings without ranch. I just can't. Sorry, I can't. And also I'm going to be picking up a few new Icee pops called Mamitas. They're not new, but I tasted one today. I tasted flavor coconut, so we're gonna get another flavor so that we can taste it, just in case you guys want to pick it up. But yeah, so stay tuned. I'm heading to the supermarket with Royalty and her friend. Pray for me that they don't pick up everything in the supermarket as a snack. You tell them one thing, they come with 5 things. What is that about? Like, I don't understand. Anyway, let's go.
On a school bus.
Say hi to the vlog, y'all.
Hi! We got to the supermarket.
They're already starting. Now, why is it that kids always try to get you to buy something that they know their parents wouldn't buy for them, low key? Now, y'all not getting them tackies. These kids are crazy. Now, I know I'm not the only parent who does not like going to the supermarket or the store with their kids, because you tell them they could get one thing and they want to pick up 5 things. It just don't work like that. Whether we got it or we don't got it. I said one snack, and that's it. The only person who was listening really was Jasmine. Yes, girl, with your donuts. Royalty, she just do the most. But I realized it was time to go now.
I have something like that can move. Like
Let me show you my food.
And it goes like, when you press a button, it does.
Mac and cheese, barbecue, and candy yam. I just wasn't in that kind of mood. These kids is getting on my nerves. It hurt? What you hit it on? It's so cold outside. Got my ranch.
It went on my
I can't have barbecue chicken without ranch. Yeah. Oh, I got a headache.
That's disgusting. Why did you put your hand on my lip? I did this.
Yeah.
Boundary. Wow, mac and cheese. We never seen that before. Do we get eggs with more? You have to be quiet. Like you're not talking right now. Go.
Oh.
Excuse me.
It tastes good, babe, with the ranch.
Yeah, exactly. The best chicken. I mean, yeah, make up your mind. Make up your
That's why I like to drink juice.
Make up your mind.
Because juice always make you
Full.
crave for more juice.
What? I want juice.
It does. When you finish drinking, you feel like you want more, right?
Can I have more?
No. She
We
is.
have sugar rush, right? No, we didn't even eat my sugar.
I have a headache. I forgot to get some pills, but I got a headache. Oh gosh. I can't believe I'm so insecure about cooking.
I'm wheezy and I'm smiling.
That is crazy.
Wait, let's... Mama!
Huh, babe? Huh?
What are you I mean...
It's like as soon as I finish cooking, as soon as I hand my husband a plate, I'll be like, you taste it? It tastes okay.
Let's watch it.
I'm so like, oh my God. I want to cry right now. That food was so good. But I couldn't finish it. Y'all, I am so insecure about cooking. Now I gotta take little Jazz home. Go. She just cheated. Oh gosh. Oh, you know. Well, we about to take Jazz home. I don't know. I'm about to get ready for bed, but before I go to bed, I want to review this Mamacita ice cream I got. So, these are the two ice creams. I guess you could call them kind of... Okay, it's homemade. It's called Mamitas. It's homemade style flavored ice. I like to believe that it's somewhat in the Hispanic Latin family, the creator of this, because it is called Mamitas, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me, please. This flavor is passion cream made with real fruit and cane sugar. And then the next one I have is coconut cream. So I already tried the coconut cream, which was really, really good. So because I haven't tried this one yet, I'm gonna try it with you guys. Let's see. And plus it's about, I had my dinner already. I'm time for a little snack. I'm ready for a little snacky, okay? So this is how it looks, right? Like a stick kinda, and you see the line here. This is where you cut it open. Let me see. I would normally get a scissor and just cut along the line. Okay, so this is what you see. So you can kind of push it up, but let's taste. It do taste like passion fruit and cream. It almost tastes like passion fruit mixed with sweet condensed milk, honestly, or like a sweet creamer. It tastes good. So you can pick this up in your local supermarket. This is not no exclusive type of ice that you can't find anywhere. So the name of it is Mamitas, and it's good. Definitely buying again. My husband, he likes the raspberry and cream. That one do taste good, I'm not gonna lie. But them by themselves, because they also do sell them like the passion fruit alone, the raspberry alone, the strawberry I think alone. But I like the flavors when they mix with the cream. They taste better to me. So yeah. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog. Stay tuned. I do have a lot more coming. I'm trying to get it together. I'm trying to get it together, pull it together, and put it out there for you guys. So Please stay locked in with me. If you have been subscribed from day one, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. All the way from New York. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, because I do respond to the comments and I do interact. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a video. Make sure y'all stay locked in and be kind, because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to be kind. Be kind. I love you guys.